Harrison Bergeron database overview. We now are going to look at Literature Resource Center. Literature Resource Center is part of the TextQuest databases through Gale, and these databases have some really cool features that I'd like to share with you. So let's type our short story, Harrison Bergeron. Here he is. We'll search him. And when the page loads, it'll show different features, from literary criticisms to topic and work overviews, etc. So let's take this first article, which is an overview of Harrison Bergeron by Joseph Alvarez. And one of the features that's really nice that I'd like to share with you on this video is how to use the highlighting and notes feature. This is a way that you can show your teacher annotation. So I already have a section annotated for us. I did that by highlighting the text, and then I chose the color. What I want to show you is it has saved my highlights and notes here. So I can click on highlights and notes, open it up, and I can annotate here on the side. So an example of satire. Okay, hit save, and now I have my note attached to my highlighted text. So how do we highlight? So let's go back to the article, an overview of Harrison Bergeron. And I'll show you how you can also change the color of your text. So if you want to color code your information, we can do that. So let's take just a small phrase, highlight. We'll choose green this time. I can type my notes here as well if I wish to. So I have my note now typed. Okay, and so now when I come up to my highlights and notes, I now will have two highlighted text with my annotated notes attached to it. This can be emailed to yourself. It can also be emailed to your teacher, so that way while you are doing an assignment on a database, you can show your teacher some of your annotation skills. So that is literature resource in context.